Hello everyone, I am Deepashri. Today we are going to learn about related theory, installation and working principle of energy meter board, definition and types of earthing, Megger and earth tester. In this topic, we are going to learn about how to prepare and mount energy meter board, 3-phase and single-phase energy meter, earthing and its types, Megger, earth tester. First, let us know what is energy meter. In this class, we will learn about principle of energy meter and its types, the BIS recommendation pertaining to the mounting of the energy meters. Energy meter is a device which measures the electrical power consumed by a residence or an electrically powered device. Electric meters are typically calibrated in building units, where the most common one being the kilowatt hour. So how does the energy meter works? Energy meter has the aluminium disc placed between the air gap of the series and shunt electromagnet, whose rotation determines the power consumption of the load. Here, the shunt magnet has the pressure coil and the series magnet has the current coil. The pressure coil creates the magnetic field because of the supply voltage, and the current coil produces it because of the current. In general, energy meters are of two types, single phase energy meter and 3-phase energy meter. The meter which is used for measuring the power of 3-phase supply is known as 3-phase energy meter. Similarly, the meter which is used for measuring the power of single phase supply is known as single phase energy meter. This is 3-phase energy meter where we have 8 connecting terminals. Here the color code RYB, that is red, yellow, blue, are used for accurate connections. Starting from meter's left side, the first 2 terminals are for red, the next 2 terminals are for yellow, the following 2 terminals are for blue, and the last 2 terminals are for neutral connections. Similarly, the single phase energy meter have 4 connecting terminals, where the first 2 terminals are used for source connection and the last 2 terminals are for load connection. For 3-phase meter connection, we basically need 3-phase energy meter, 3-phase supply from electric pole, 3-pole miniature circuit breaker, that is MCB. So the wiring of energy meter is done in the following method. The 3-phase electric pole has R, Y, B phase supply along with a neutral line. R phase supply is taken directly from the electric pole and it is connected to the terminal 1. Y phase supply is connected to terminal 3. V phase supply is connected to terminal 5 and the neutral line is connected to terminal 7. Similarly, the RYB's output connections are given to the 3-pole miniature circuit breaker. The other end of the MCB's connection should be connected to the sub-circuit along with its neutral. Similarly, the wiring for single phase energy meter starts from the left side. Connect the incoming phase wire to slot 1 on the meter and incoming neutral wire to slot 2 on the meter. Then connect the outgoing neutral wire in slot 3 and outgoing phase wire in slot 4, which is connected to miniature circuit board. The other end of the miniature circuit board should be connected to the circuit, hence the installation is done. Make sure the position of the meter should be vertical on its center line. Securely tight the bolts, washers and nuts, etc. and after connecting the wires to the meter, close the safety window. Once the wiring is done, connect a load to check the working of the energy meter as it measures the consumed power supply in kilowatt hour units. At the end of this session, we learnt about principle of energy meter and its types, the BIS recommendation pertaining to the mounting of the energy meters. Thank you for watching and we will meet in our next session.